Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be learning how to clean the HDP5000 and the HDP5600. Pretty much the same thing. First thing you need to do is remove your exit hopper, which I've already done over here, and your input hopper. Then you want to take your both cassettes out. The easiest way to do it is push the blue button, slide them out. That simple. The next step now is to take your adhesive card, pull off both sides. The only issue you may run into is if you are using a magnetic stripe, mag encoder, then leave that one section off and not done. Set it inside your input hopper like so, and continue on from your computer from here. Now let's move over to your computer and open up your printers and your printers folder rather, and find your HDP5000. Go into Manage, Perfect Printing Preferences, and then go to your toolbox. Go to Clean Printer and hit Clean Printer. At this point, you can see your cleaning card getting shuffled in and out, back and forth, back and forth. We'll pick this up once this cycle is done. Now that this is clean, you can see all the dirt that it removed coming out of the printer. Our next step in cleaning the printer is to use this cleaning card here. Really simple to do is you want to open it up and pull it out. Have it ready. Open the front door. Insert the cleaning card the same way you did the first one in its place, but then we're going to use these arrows right here to push back and forth. This will be pulling the card in, so hold it in there. Go back and forth. And sometimes you have to give it a little bit of a hand. And Fargo recommends that you do this every 3,000 cards. We usually say go ahead and clean this every time you change your ribbon out. Now just let it run all the way out till it's out. And there you go. Our next step in the process is to go ahead and turn the printer off by unplugging it, and we're going to clean the printhead. With the printer unplugged, open this guy up. Squeeze it and make sure it's saturated, perfect. Gently come over here on the print head, back and forth, slowly, to clean any grime or dirt that may be on. At this point, you can go ahead and put your cassettes back in. And our very last step is to take the cleaning pad, open it up, really simple, and just clean your printer with it. Your HDP5000 is now clean. Any questions, reach out to us at sales@newbart.com.